Hello YouTube, it is Viral over here. In this video I'll show you how you can remove Google Lock FRP from Samsung Galaxy A52 running Android 11 up to Android 14 maximum. So this is a Qualcomm device, so if to do FRP we're gonna use a tool called Unlock Tool. If you don't have to buy it, you can rent it on helpviral.company.site, which is showing over there, and click on this one. After that, you can rent it for 6 hours. It is a fast delivery and you can reach them on email or on WhatsApp after purchasing. On the bottom over here, you have a WhatsApp number and you can click, or maybe you can reach them via email. Okay, so first of all, you need to go to EDL mode. To do that, just follow the video and the instructions. Power off the phone, disconnect the cable, wait about 10 seconds. After that, press and hold both volume up and volume down and connect the cable while holding the volumes. Immediately after connecting, press and release volume up and volume down fast several times, and the device will go to EDL mode. So you will see the Qualcomm port on the computer, and this means that the phone will be on the EDL mode. And this will work on all Samsung devices. The next step will be downloading the Unlock tool and signing in with the credentials that you purchased or that you already own. And you will see this main menu of the Unlock tool. Unlock tool, it has too many models supported. You need to go to Samsung and over there search for your model. In our case, it is A526. So I'm gonna select the third one, A526U, and this will also support A526W, which I'm doing right now. Okay, as you see, everything is connected to my computer, and I'm gonna click EDL Erase FRP. So now the process has started and the Unlock tool will do the rest. First of all, what it will do, it will read some information, the code name and the operation is Erase FRP, waiting for the connection. It is connecting on the EDL port. The version it is of 2024, so it is the latest one for this model. And the next step, the last step that you will see on the bottom, will see Erasing FRP. So this process might take a while, maybe 1 minute maximum. So it is a super fast process. And all you need to do after connecting to the EDL mode is just click on the option EDL Erase FRP, and the rest, all you need to do is just wait. So in my case, it's taking a few seconds. So as you see on the bottom, everything is going through. It is saying Erasing FRP, and the last step will be reboot. So now your device should automatically reboot and the FRP will be gone. You can now skip Wi-Fi connection. Okay, so that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.